So today we're taking on one of the scariest and what's considered one of the most dangerous hikes in America, Angel's Landing. So it begins with an innocent enough stroll through Refrigerator Canyon for the first couple of miles. And then you get to Walter's Wiggles, which you're gonna have 21 switchbacks, straight up pretty much, because we got a 1,500 foot elevation gain on this hike. And then we're gonna make our way over to Scouts Lookout, which a lot of you may or may not want to go farther than that, but we're gonna...
That's where most people stop.
But we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going all the way to the end, which is a white knuckle chain gripping experience. And at some points you've got a ledge that's just a little more than 2 feet wide. And there's only like a 1,000 foot drop below.
We're a little nervous, super excited, but ready to let go and get going.
All right, we just got off stop number 6.
You want to get on the first bus.
So we hopped on the 7 a.m. bus to get here. You want to definitely take as early of a bus as you can, depending on when your permit time is. It's tough, but earlier the better. Typically I get a little bit less crowds if you can get up here. Early bird gets the worm. It always seems to be, especially with hiking. So we're here with Marissa's brother Mason and our friend Brendan. They both came in from Tennessee, really flying from anywhere to do this hike. People from all over the world are doing this hike. Woo! We got some wind this morning. Checking permits early here. All right.
Perfect. You are good to go. Have a great day.
There was a guy hoping they weren't checking permits. He just turned around, but some people rolled the dice hoping they could do this without a permit, but we're definitely checking that.
So starting in 2022, you now have to have a permit to hike Angel's Landing.
The permits are a good thing because this hike, you'll see in a little bit, because it's so sketchy anyways. Like when you were overcrowded on this, we were here last time, I thought, man, that's part of what makes it so dangerous is A, people who want to overcome their fear of heights on this hike, don't do that. And then B, it's just too crowded. It's the first couple of miles, sort of a gradual incline here, which already feels more than gradual. Instead of way more gradual on paper. You got the elevation too, so if you're flying in from, say, Tennessee, you know, you're already, I think, at 4,300 feet at the base, and we're going all the way to 5,800. So you got the whole elevation thing going on too. Yeah, the sun's coming up, so you're starting to see these peaks. Yeah, if you got to pick something to see on your bucket list, you want to see these peaks when that sun's coming up. So golden. Look at this long stride Mason's got. There you go. Yeah. He's not even, there's no effort whatsoever. When you're 6'6", it helps.
One of my favorite things about Zion is it's a cool perspective because you're low in the valley looking up at these big rock formations. I feel like usually you're looking down like at the Grand Canyon and some of those beautiful views, but this is unique being down looking up. But we're about to be looking from up.
If you're willing to do this, then you can do both. This is a little bit of a warm-up for us. If you want more hiking after this one, we're doing the Narrows in a couple days. That's coming out. Brendan's a landscaper. He's back here thinking about all the concrete they had to get up on this on this trail.
Just get it to the top once, and you just let it.
Yeah, Mason's an engineer. It's funny how you're like your background might determine how you view this trail as you're doing it. Yeah, as far as what to bring lots of water. 2 liters, I think, a piece of what we've got. You always want to bring your coffee on hikes.
You're probably the only person.
I'm like literally drinking my coffee as I go up. I debated. I was like, no, I'm doing my coffee. We got up early. I'm gonna do this thing. But yeah, coffee is not a bad idea if you want to bring gloves for the chains. We've got those too. So really just, you know, proper footwear, water, gloves. Good to go. Is he showing off?
Yes, he is. Well, I started doing this to like equal his stride. He's trying to peacock on me.
I'm a peacock, Captain. You gotta let me fly on this one.
So when you win permits to Angel's Landing, you invite people and they'll come. So we had my brother join us and our friend Brendan. Oh, and Nathan's mom flew in to keep the kids.
We'll give the kids iPads. They're back in the rig.
We laid out food and water.
Mason's about to be uninvited if he doesn't quit showing off. Endangered species. Walter's Wiggles.
We made it, right?
Yeah, you're done, babe. Wah, wah. You gonna count them?
21.
You don't want to see this, man.
Oh yeah, and there's the Wiggles.
So this trail, or at least I know specifically Walter's Wiggles, was built around 1920 and headed up by a guy named Walter. If you build something like this, maybe you can name it after you as well. Thanks a lot, Walter. Yeah, there you go. Almost there, girl.
So close.
All right, Walter's Wiggles, check. Here's our first look. Angel's Landing. Up ahead, Scout Lookout. Now, you're not gonna see many people with us hanging out there because most everybody here got the permit. They're on the 7 a.m. I mean, they're gonna do this thing. Anybody got up this early is not just hanging out Scouts Lookout.
This is the most strenuous part of the hike, but mentally, the landing is the most challenging. They don't call it one of the most dangerous hikes in the U.S. for nothing. But you can hike to Scouts Lookout without a permit and check out the view, which is incredible. So let's go see it.
There's the sun.
We made it with the sun.
You'll see sometimes dozens of people sitting up here watching their significant others take on this. That guy got away with it. He came, he just went up.
That guy
Yeah, he just went up. Yeah, he just went up. 1.1 miles round trip. Slightly sketchy. So, oh my goodness. Yeah, don't be that guy. All right, girl, you ready? You nervous yet? You told me you've been trying not to think about it. So.
I know. I'm not nervous yet. I don't know.
Is that good or bad? There probably needs to be a
Weirdly
little
enough.
small level of nerves
I mean, I
doing
didn't
this.
sleep last night, but but I don't feel like I was scared.
I'm nervous. I want to see my kids again, so that's my preference.
Yeah, don't move. It's all good. I got it on.
I can't see how yet.
Yeah, you got caught in a tree loop.
This is not the place to overcome your fear of heights.
But if you want to see what it looks like without the danger, this is perfect.
There you go.
Just watch a video.
So where we're at right now is about, I don't know, 500-foot drop or something like that. But once you get to the peak of Angel's Landing, it's like a 1,000+ foot drop. You're kind of done. If you fall off of it, just done. And we're done. Nope. That's not even the, like, that's actually the sketchiest part right up there. That's the warm up. Are you taking your shirt off in your backpack while you hike Angel's Landing?
Well, give me a second.
You picked the most dangerous spot on the hike.
Here it is, yeah. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Take a chance and wait. Couple makes you tethered. Trust when you fall in every risk you take. Knowing redemption's always on its way. Let all the courage in you start to wake. Unafraid.
The wind did not make it any easier here. How you feeling?
Woo, good. Yeah, feels great.
Made it to the top.
So Nathan and I hiked this hike together about 6 years ago. This was the shirt that I hiked in last time. And every time I wear this shirt, I think of our hike. So I had to bring it up here today. The shadows are real.
Yeah. Ooh, Brennan's blue. We got such a variety of colors here. Oh my goodness, Mason. He's coming. He's gonna get you.
Not this time. I haven't jumped anything.
Oh, he's thinking he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
Total stop.
He's gonna hop in that bag, man.
Get it.
They're very aggressive National Park squirrels. Pet monk.
There you are. He's throwing crumbs on me, so they'll come up.
The chipmunk comes back. Don't feed the wildlife, Nathan.
Hey, I just happened to drop a crumb.
He's sniffing it.
Do you sit and stare for stuff a while after you hike it, or you just head back down?
I give myself 20 minutes usually.
20, okay.
It's actually a huge debate between Nathan and I, because I like to sit and enjoy the view that I've worked so hard for, and Nathan's like,
I
well,
literally
I've
turn around, head
seen
back.
it, I'm ready to go, and I'm like, we did all this work. Can't we just enjoy the view?
Well, let us know what kind of hiker you are, but or maybe I'm the only one that does that. I don't know.
I'm actually eyeing that coffee right now.
So the name Angel's Landing, as the story goes at least, it comes from a Methodist minister back in the day, hiked up here, saw the view, and said only an angel could land here. And then it stuck.
Now that we've done Half Dome, I'm trying to decide if I would choose this one or Half Dome. Obviously, this one was much easier than Half Dome.
I'd agree with that. One of the most epic hikes we've ever done. Saying goodbye?
I am. I mean, it's been 6 years since we did it last time. How many years will it be? Or if ever, you know, I just try to soak in a view because you don't know if it's your last.
Since I've been keeping records in Angel's Landing, 16 people have fallen to their death from Angel's Landing. And you need to have your wits about you. So it is definitely not something to scoff at or take lightly or try to overcome your fear of heights at. General feedback, going down versus going up. I'm going to say, for us at least, I think if you have good knees, good ankles, going up is going to be harder than going down.
The wind up there. Yeah.
This way, you're
In for a ride.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, if you're in the first couple hundred feet and you're already clinging to the chain for dear life or leaning against the wall the entire time, yeah, you might want to double check if it's the thing you want to do. So how do you feel about Angel's Landing now? Because I know you had questions on whether or not this was still your favorite hike, because we've done Half Dome, we've done the Wave, we've done a lot of other epic hikes. Is it still your favorite hike?
I will say I wasn't as nervous this time. I don't know. This one is a bigger bang for your buck to get that view, and it's just 5 miles. Half Dome is really intense. Oh my goodness.
I'm so proud of you.
This is the spot we're gonna die right here. So, man, I can't decide.
Oh my goodness, Marissa. For me, yeah, the wear and tear on my body for Half Dome, like, I'll take this. This is great. Bang for the buck. Awesome. So we've brought these two hikes up a lot, Half Dome, Angel's Landing. If you're not sure which one, we have a video on Half Dome. Definitely check that out, and you can decide for yourself which one will be your favorite. Well,
Do them both. They're both fine.
Do them both. If you can do them both, just do them both. Well, that is our journey for this week. Until next week, we'll catch you guys later.